So in this lesson we are going to look at the location of the rainforest and how the climate or how the location impacts the climate and the climate impacts the location. So we're going to look at some rainforest features. We're basically going to find them on a map, locate them and be able to draw them on a map, and then we're going to look at naming the key rainforest regions of the world. So rainforests are located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. These are 23 and a half degrees, north and south of the equator. So you can see the Tropic of Cancer north of the equator and Tropic of Capricorn south of the equator. And our rainforest regions are located in between these two lines. All right. The reason for that is because the amount of kind of sun that hits these areas all year round. So this is kind of June time. This is our summer time in Scotland, and we can see that this area is getting roughly approximately about 12 hours of sun a day, whereas we are a bit higher. We're getting about 15 hours of sun a day. Now that changes dramatically in the winter months. We maybe get about 9 hours of kind of sun a day, but if we look again at the kind of equator and the Tropic of Capricorn right here, the rainforest areas are still getting about 12 hours of sunlight a day. So they don't have like a winter on a summer like we do. It looks like they are warm all year round. So, and side by side, we can see that it's approximately about, on average, 12 hours of sunlight a day, which with it also brings 12 hours of the sun's heat a day. So, rainforests contain the most plant and animal species on Earth. They contain so much more than any other area in the world. They cover approximately 6% of the Earth's surface, but it rains just about every day. They get more than 2,000 millimeters of rain per year, which is huge amounts of rain. But on the flip side, as well as the rain, it's always warm. So the temperature fluctuates between 27 and 32 degrees Celsius. It doesn't really go any lower or higher than that. So it's warm all year round and it's wet all year round. And that becomes more important in the next couple of lessons. So on this map, we're going to look at where rainforest locations are located. Now, we know they're located between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now, on your map, in your OneNote, what I want you to do is I want you to mark on the Tropic of Cancer, the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn. So, now that you've done that, we can now realise that in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, we have our rainforest regions. Now, on this map, hopefully you can see it, but our rainforest regions are the dark green areas here. We have lighter green areas that are just kind of forest areas, but the dark green areas on our map are rainforest regions. So what I would like you to do now is mark these rainforest areas on your map. So now you've done that, hopefully you've marked them on accurately enough, and we can now look at naming them. So Area A is located in South America, Area B is located in West Africa, and Area C is located in Indonesia. Now, Area A is called the Amazon rainforest, probably the most well-known rainforest. Area B is the Congo, located in West Africa, and Area C is the Indonesian rainforest, or Indonesia, which is located in Indonesia, funny enough. So, now that we know that we have these various locations of rainforest, we're going to look at how the location impacts the climate in the next lesson.